Is your Tupperware cabinet messy and unorganized with your lids just flopping around all over the place? Oh no! Does you or someone you know have access to 3D printers that you can use? Go to Maker's World, search Tupperware lid, go to the first one, you can customize it to the length, height, width, everything you need, and then just print it out. So now, instead of sliding everything all around the cabinet, making a bigger mess, your lids should be more easy to find when you actually need to use them.